Eh, ang building, oh, sinasabi nyo. Ayan. It's a hotel. Ito yung kanina nung pinutol ko yung live ko kanina. Kasi wala siyang chat. Ayan. Hola. Mega love shout out everyone. Dalawa kasi yung daan dito. One is there and one is here. So, isip ko pa kung saan kayo dadaan. Dito ba? O, dito ba? Maybe here. Next time na lang dito. Nakita nyo na kanina sa another live ko na naputol. Yan, dyan. That's one. So, in this side, I will show it to you. This is the hotel. Yan. W Hotel. Port de Barcelona. Ayan. Meron mag-yoga. May nag-yoga kanina dito. May nagsusumba minsan. Marmol siya. Oh. Marmol.
Súper bien. Está súper guay.
Aerobics. Ayan sila. Ano sila? Healthy conscious. O, may natutulog doon. Diba? Yung nakahiga. Ito mag-ano sila, magsusumba siguro. Mega love shout out everybody. We're live. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like my channel. I'm just thinking to change my name, my channel. But I cannot find. I'm going to change that soon. So maybe next time it's not Nanay Ibiang anymore. Yan siya. May mga nagsuswimming doon, no? May mga nag-aaral yata mag-ano doon. Banta ko dyan, surfing. Nag-iisa siya. Mega love shout out everybody. Welcome to my live. Yan. That's the part of the beach. It's far away, you know, it's straight over there. You know, the tree building there. It's until there, the beach. So we'll go down there. We'll go down here. Oh, somebody's having a exercise there on the roof. See her? Yan. Exercise siya. Okay, I go down there. See there? I-click ko ulit. Okay, i-click ko ulit dito. Dito. Oh, here. Masyadong mataas eh. Na-click ko na yan eh. Naano ko na yan eh. Ano ba tawag dito? Dito na lang.